Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove extension from Google Chrome. So if you guys download or install an apps from Google Chrome Web Store, it will become an extension in your Chrome. But if you want to remove that, I'm going to show you how. So here I've already opened my Google Chrome, and then to find the extension you just need to click on this like puzzle piece icon in here. Just click on that, and here you'll see the extension that is installed in your Chrome. And to remove that, you can just click on the three dots icon in here to see the more action, and here you'll find the option to remove it from Chrome. Just click on that and then click on remove, and let's see. So the extension is now being removed in your Chrome. So that's the simple tutorial to remove extension from Google Chrome. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.